Welcome to the CRO School ReadyStack. I'm George. I'm here with Adam, and we're kicking off this ReadyStack with a brief introduction.
This ReadyStack is used to enhance your ICP data and build a target account list using lookalikes.
Our goal for CRO School ReadyStack is simple. Give every business a working system that's copy and paste ready so you can start turning our guidance into immediate action regardless of what budget or apps you use.
In the next video, Jay will give you a guided tour of our ReadyStack and help put all of this into motion.
We appreciate being part of your journey, and we look forward to sharing in your success.
Let's get started.
All right, let's take a quick tour so you can see how the CRO School ReadyStack actually works. You'll notice we have three key surfaces. The first are the YouTube playlists to guide you through all of George and Adam's lessons. And we also have a Miro board. And this is where everything and everyone comes together. Your workspace with inputs from subject matter experts, concierge services, and really folks like you all coming together. And inside the board, we've layered in expert takes like this one from Alex.
LinkedIn organic reach is worse than ever, and a lot of people are complaining about it. But are you surprised? You shouldn't be. That's how social media platforms go. Reach is
the
great
kind of
early.
real-world context that we have built into the ReadyStack. Once you've absorbed all the strategic and tactical insights from George, Adam, Alex, and other service providers that are involved with this ReadyStack and helped us build it, you're ready to start composing it for yourself and starting to run. I just want to say right off the bat here that customer success teams are always on for you. And in that Miro board, you have contact information to all the customer success teams who are ready to help you at any portion of the ReadyStack. So we work our way down here. First of all, you see you can schedule free onboarding. So if you want to help get familiar with it or set up your data, we can do that for you. The next section that we have here is like where your AI agents are. It could be an AI agent or Zaps, like the onesie twosie types of transactions. This is where they live. And there's more detail about the setup. As you see, we have tutorial videos which show you precisely what this section is all about. And it's also going to have some commentary on why we're using the apps that we've used for this or why we're recommending them. So in that regard, we're looking to be kind of like a buyer's guide for you. For example, I chose Drop Contact in here because they are known to be the best and because they have GDPR compliance. But Drop Contact may not be your thing. You may want to use Apollo. You can use that as well. So I'm not going to get into the deep dive here because that's more within the tutorials, and I'm going to show you exactly where those are within the Miro board as well. The next section is where you can inject different contacts into the workflow directly from Zapier. And the reason why we have this set up is because a lot of times you're not going to want to mess around with all these additional steps and different things you need to do in order to just get people into a data flow. If you've wrestled with attribute information and trying to build matchups there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this ad from Zapier is just a mechanism that we've got set up where you can just get people into the data-driven flow without a lot of hoops to jump through. Get that email address from Drop Contact, they're going to be coming into the lookalike flow. Once we get people who are in the lookalikes, this is where we want to start to send email out to them. And the reason why we're doing this is that we're wanting to continuously refine who our lookalikes are. And we can do that best by taking signals from emails and things like that. So it could be a website visit, it could be an email open, it could be an email click. You know, we want to basically cull or harvest all those signals. So what we've done here is this is our data-driven flow area. And you see that we have the email set up. And here we can use filter rules based on any set of attributes to do dynamic content. So for example, if you want to have one flavor of email that's going to go out to a specific industry or to a specific job title, that's one thing. You can tag people to determine if they're in a segment. The other thing you can do here too is that you can take a look at the behavior. So if we have people who clicked opened, had a lead score increase, whatever that is, this is where we get everything set up here. So rather than having to try to send out through instantly and doing like these onesie, twosie transactional things, you are able to do bulk imports, again, directly into the ReadyStack and start all these processes to refine your ICP. And I'll give you an example. If you have a ton of people who are in your Google Drive, we can do sweeps with Google Drive. It doesn't cost you anything. So you could literally bring in hundreds of thousands of records into the ReadyStack, and we will send them out all these emails, and then you can determine if they are part of your ICP or not based on their activity. And likewise, we can auto tag them. But I'm getting a little bit into the details of how everything works. But I wanted to at least give you a tour to just show you the scope, the broad scope of what the CRO School ReadyStack can do for you and just get you going like right away. Just to touch upon the services, again, we're always attendant in customer success. And part of participation as a ReadyStack provider is, a high value on customer success and customer loyalty. So all the providers look at you as a seller. You are a seller trying to sell product. You're not a buyer, you're a seller. And you're going to get to feel that because everything you see here is designed to have you be comfortable and informed about what's going on and to know exactly where you are. And you see, again, we've got all the tutorial videos lined up here for you. We've got our post-its, so you can call somebody out and have a note, make a note for them. And that's how we run the project. So our track record is you should be able to get up and running within 3 days. We've got everything set up. The only thing that's left to do here for you now is to click that copy button, on the ReadyStack, get an onboarding meeting set up, and you're good to go. Before signing off on this overview, I want to tell you something really important, and that is you get 40% of all referral fees for sharing the CRO School ReadyStack, or any ReadyStack for that matter. And if you look at your screen, you see the number of different applications that we're recommending with the ReadyStack coming out. All of these applications are very high quality, and they also have affiliate programs. So again, very easily Ocean.io, Phantom Buster, Aware, Clay, and Drop Contact. So this will really stack up, so to speak. And if you're an affiliate or you are a go-to-market consultant, you see that you can layer all of these commissionable, payable motions within the ReadyStack. And that leads me to a promotion that we have right now, and that is if you're paying $500 a month for ReadyStack, we credit you with $5,000 a month of ReadyStack fees. That includes hosting, automation, and mass email. So $500 gets you $5,000. We don't mix the two offers. You can't get 40% on those because that would be double dipping. But it's a smoking deal, and thanks a lot for taking your time with me, and I look forward to seeing the ReadyStack. Cheers.